Hey guys, today I will show you how to exchange Rev points for money on Revolut. So first what you need to do is open the Revolut app and sign in. Once you're inside, you'll see the Rev points section where your balance is displayed. You earn these points every time you make a purchase using your Revolut card. Now when it comes to exchanging them, you have a couple of options. You can simply click on the redeem button to turn your points into rewards, or you can use them directly to buy certain products or even book services like tickets with discounts. Each item available for redemption will have a specific amount of Rev points required, and the equivalent value is deducted from your account balance once redeemed. For example, Revolut provides a range of gift cards you can choose from. Each gift card will show the number of Rev points needed in exchange. You can select one of these gift cards if you'd like to use them yourself or even sell them as a way to turn your points into money. The redeem process is very simple. Just pick the reward you want, tap redeem and confirm. Your points will be exchanged right away. So overall, that's how you can make use of your Rev points and turn them into money or rewards through the Revolut app. Thanks for watching.